Welcome to our automotive content. Here, we share the latest news, reviews, and insights about cars. From sports cars to electric vehicles, we're your go-to source for all things automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast or looking for reliable information, join us for exciting content and expert opinions. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's get started. The electric vehicle revolution, despite not being entirely new, still faces early adopter issues that could endanger passengers, requiring swift action. Following the recent battery crisis with GM's Bolt EV, Ford has decided to halt production of the F-150 Lightning due to an undisclosed battery issue that appears to be related to battery fires, a common yet significant problem. Despite this setback, many enthusiasts remain optimistic about the F-150 Lightning's popularity and Ford's promised ramp-up of its production. Some enthusiasts even anticipate Ford's potential expansion of its EV family beyond the Lightning, leading Kolesa to speculate about the revival of the Excursion heavy-duty full-sized SUV as an EV member of the Lightning pack. While the idea may seem like a behemoth, it has its logic, as the Excursion EV could use the F-150 Lightning's major components, including the base 452 horsepower and higher-powered 580 horsepower battery pack assemblies, to compete with other EVs such as Rivian's R1T pickup truck and R1S sport utility vehicle, and General Motors' upcoming Hummer EV SUV and pickup truck. The Excursion EV could become a wise addition to Ford's truck and truck-based SUV lineups, offering a massive yet interesting option for consumers. However, this is only a CGI supposition, and Ford has yet to confirm its plans for expanding its EV family. Thanks for watching our automotive content. We hope you enjoyed learning about the latest cars and automotive trends. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next one.